Spectrum's self-install kit allows you to set up your cable and internet services without a technician. These kits have evolved to be user-friendly, often including AI-assisted activation tools and pre-configured modems like the Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 6, supporting speeds up to 1 gigabit per second in select areas. The kit typically includes a cable modem router combo or a standalone modem for internet-only coaxial cables, HDMI cables for cable boxes, and power adapters. Open the kit and identify all components. Pre-configured modems like the Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 6 support fast speeds up to 1 gigabit per second in select areas. Coaxial cables are included for connecting to the cable outlet. HDMI cables connect cable boxes to your TV. The network diagram shows how the modem and router connect your devices to the internet. A key benefit is the convenience and reduced waiting time compared to scheduling a professional installation. Remember, this DIY approach is designed to minimize technical hurdles. These kits are shipped via UPS or FedEx and delivered the next day. First, connect the modem to the cable outlet using the coaxial cable included in your Spectrum self-install kit. Next, power on the modem by plugging it into an electrical outlet and turning it on. For internet setup, connect your device to the Wi-Fi network created by the modem or use an Ethernet cable for a direct wired connection. Now activate your service using the Spectrum app by scanning the QR code on the modem or visit the Spectrum website. You'll need your account number and the modem's serial number. For a cable box, connect it to your TV using an HDMI cable and link it to the modem with a coaxial cable. Then activate through the app or website. Ensure proper ventilation for your equipment and avoid electrical hazards. If you encounter issues, use the Spectrum app for real-time troubleshooting or contact virtual support chatbots.